Hello, friends. When you need to create a professional website for your business and services, WordPress CMS gives all great options. By choosing a perfect WordPress theme, you can start creating your dream website and you can launch your website, in fact, in no time. In this video, we are going to set up a website for multiple niche. And yes, you can select your business category and the theme that we are going to use offers multiple pre-made websites and you can see the demos. So like this is default demo, furniture, grocery store and the auto parts store, the watch store, shoe store and even more eyeglasses, jewelry, electronics and electronics 2, electronics 3, organic store, electronics 5, 6 is also here and the electronics fourth full width. So basically electronics are multiple electronics store can be made with multiple layouts and there are many all other options as well. The theme is Marketo and it has been developed by a Power Elite author Xpeed Studio. And I'm surprised how I skipped covering this theme on this channel because I have covered most of great WordPress theme on this channel and I'm sure you are watching videos coming on this channel regularly. And yes, we are going to create a wonderful e-commerce website using this theme in this video, and during our setup, we will preview all the options, setup options, customization options so that you may take your buying decision for this theme. Yes, so it cost only $59 and you can buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. But yes, it is necessary to watch the complete video so that you may understand all the functionalities, you get all the insights about the theme, and it is going to be super easy for creating a website, online store website using this theme. So let us begin setting up Marketo theme and a website using Marketo theme, and it is going to give us a perfect and full-featured e-commerce website. Alright, to create a website using WordPress, you need WordPress core installation at your domain and you need a hosting plan that may be a shared hosting plan, and again you can get a wonderful and fully optimized hosting plan at a very nominal price through the WP Themes website. Link has been given in the video description. And we can simply set up our website on this core and press installation. The website with the default theme is looking like this. So we have to install the Marketo theme. We will overview all its features in this video itself. Don't skip any part. You are going to get a review of this theme, and yes, it is going to help you in all aspects when you are comparing other themes as well. So I'm not saying just go with this theme. You have options to choose and compare themes, but yes, this is also a very good option that we will see in this video. Right. So I have the theme pack, and in the theme pack I got the documentation, licensing, the optional header and footer file, and this is installable theme file, the main theme and the child theme. So I can see main theme is showing size just 2.7 MB. So you can easily assume the quality of the code. It is really very optimized. It is a very lightweight theme, and the speed of website that we are going to get with this theme, it is really wonderful. So this is our demo setup and we will check the speed at our installation as well. I'm using a shared hosting plan that comes at a very nominal price at WP Themes website. Through WP Themes website, you can get all great hosting providers like hosting or cPanel based hosting plans are there. So select what is required for your website project. Yes. Okay. To begin the installation, we can simply head to the appearance section where we are going to add theme and simply click on add theme. Here we need to choose the installable theme file that can be found under the theme directory keto.zip. Select this, click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds since it is a very lightweight theme and you can install it in just few seconds from this WordPress interface. However, when you are using the cPanel based hosting plan, you have all the access on your hosting, so you can choose a direct upload path as well. But this interface is very easy to use. Okay, so theme got installed successfully. We can go to the theme page just to check the details. Marketo is here along with the default theme, and I'm using version 5.3.1. So it is always important to check the latest release date, which is 8th September 2025, and I am recording this video after a month on 7th October 2025. So I am using the latest version, and when you have already bought the theme and maybe creating your website on the later dates, it is important to download the latest version of theme at your themeforest.net account, because updates are integral part of WordPress themes, and you have to use all updated version of the theme pack. And this is the beauty: when you are getting the updated version at themeforest.net, you'll get all the updated plugins, associated plugins as well, depending upon the supply from the theme developer. But yes, it is a general trend to get the theme in updated version, and plugins comes all the way, right? So let us activate the theme here, and this is the activation process. Simply click on activate button, in fact, and you have to put your license detail and you'll be able to activate your theme. So I have done already this, and we can begin installing plugins. So let us see which plugins I have. So plugins are very important, and they play a very important role in the features and the functionalities for any WordPress website. So Elementor is the page builder that has been used. Elements Kits Live are here. Kirki is the framework, and the Marketo features the core plugin. I believe this is Medform for creating forms, Slider Revolution for hero image. Unison Custom is the again another framework that has been used. Variation swatches for WooCommerce functionality enhancement for variation. WP Social for social sharing. WooCommerce compare options for comparing the products. WooCommerce itself and WooCommerce wishlist. Email kit customize WooCommerce and WooCommerce WordPress emails effortlessly. Okay, so this is the for email default email customization. And Jet Jenny is again conversion handy and SEO optimized content for WooCommerce product pages with AI magic. Okay, so this is new plugin for me. We can check all its functionality and maybe in another video. But yes, I can see the total plugins are 14, and we need to install 12 plugins, or 12 marked and required, 2 are recommended, but we are going to install all these plugins to get the optimal feature and functionality at your website, and it is recommended for you as well. Since number of plugins are 14, so it may take a while, but it is important to install all the plugins without any error. So just wait on the screen until you are getting the success or even error message, so we can proceed accordingly. So installing plugin, and it is showing a critical error. So don't worry about this. Just go back and repeat the process. It happens. It is a very common message, and it may be confusing for you as well. So if you are getting this message, there is a critical error, don't worry. This is not like a critical error. Just you need to install plugin one by one. Okay, so I have completed installing all 14 plugins, and you can see all the activate links here. This means all the plugins have been installed successfully and there is no error during the installation process. Now I am going to select all these plugins, and this time I'll activate all the installed 14 plugins, and this can be done in a single click, I believe. Let us see how it works. Again, taking a while, but yes, important. It is important step. And again, if you are not getting any message, it happens due to low resources at hosting, or maybe like similar and the conditional things that is required for installing the theme, but it does not implies it has an error. So I'll show you all the steps. So we have successfully installed and activated the plugins. Only 2 are remaining, I believe. Let's see. Okay, so only two remained because WooCommerce was required for these plugins, and before activating WooCommerce, these. Okay, now it is done. So I noticed that you have yet not activate Pro free license. Click the below for that is claim your license or finish setup with your license. So it is totally provided by the theme developer. So we are not going to make any checkouts. Just ignore all this message, and I am sure all this work fine. So now I have some new navigations, and I am going to explain all the new navigation what we got after installing the plugin, activating the plugin with the theme. And the theme has been installed with all set of plugins. So I can refresh this page just to show you how our website is looking with the theme and all set of plugins. So this is the basic look, and of course it is not showing any layouts that we may target with the theme. So we have multiple options as I shown in the beginning of this video. You have niches, and you can uh, select your target layout, what you want to sell online, and you can sell jewelry, frames, the electronics products and all, right? So these are the layouts or demos. So how many demos are in fact, it is not mentioned. Okay, perfect. No worries. So we can proceed to import the demo content at this step, and I'll find the option where we can import the demo. Since Unison has been installed, I can check whether it is using Unison importer. Okay, so backup and demo content is here. It means the Unison demo importer will work. So under tools, we can find the import demo, and this is going to be our next step towards completing our demo website. Okay, so here we can choose what exactly we want to have at our installation, like the pre-made website. So you have all those options that you may need for a professional website. Like you can create a multi-vendor website and marketplace website using the layout, and you can directly go with the default one or the selected niches. Like if you are willing to launch a premium watch store, you can choose these shoe stores, the grocery store, furniture store, the TL option is also here, eyeglasses, the jewelry store and all. So I'm going with this first one, considering it the default one. You have all the choices, and I'm going to click on install and OK. And Unison framework is going to work. At next step, we don't need to do anything. We can simply wait on this screen. Unison is a great framework that imports and works very fine with the WordPress core and the Elementor, and it also resizes the images once the demo images gets imported. So it takes a bit uh, time is on an average, the import time is high, but yes, it works very fine for all the devices. Like it brings the resite images that works very fine at different devices, mobile, tablets, and multiple size of desktop and all. So we can wait here until we are getting any message, since it is going to resize the images and it is connected to developer server, and it is going to take a while. It may be 5 or even 10 minutes depending upon your host internet speed. So all such dependent factors are here. Don't disturb the process, not hit the back button, but yes, we can check our demo website what we are targeting. So this is the website that I have selected, and randomly I can check the product listing. The speed is really important factor to make a successful e-commerce website. So if you are having a fast loading website, the Google and other search engines uh, are going to give you a very good rank, and your products is going to be crawled and rank higher on the search results, you can say. So speed always matters, for especially for e-commerce website, and here we are getting this boon with this thing. So you can see the speed, the page loading speed is really very good, and this is our demo. installation from the developer, but yeah, I'll show you all these working at our installation. I mean, my installation as well. So this is really very good, and we can definitely take advantage of such a wonderful fast loading and the professional website that we can create using the Marketo WordPress theme. Okay, so in just few minutes, hardly in 3 minutes, I can say my website is ready, and somehow I missed recording the success message on the screen, and the slider revolution has been imported. I was just checking in the background, and I got all the pages. Home pages are here. However, we can use only the selected home page. Like I'm going to close all this, and we will check our website again. Yes, it is here. It is loading in adequate speed that we wish to have. And if I randomly check the product listing, it is also going very fine. So the theme got installed successfully without any error and trouble, and we got all the content here. And if I can show you the media library, so it will show us how many. Okay, so all images are here. 620 media items was included in the demo. So I got all, and uh it remained a smooth installation. So I can simply conclude that the installation remained smooth and successful. So you can go with this theme. There is no trouble with the theme that we found. And now I'm coming back to the Envato screen. I mean the theme for it is screen. Marketo, e-commerce, and multi-vendor marketplace WooCommerce WordPress theme that we just installed and created our demo setup. It has already got a very good number of sales, so it is a well-established theme. It has been developed by Speed Studio. They are Power Elite author. You need to spend $59 for this theme, and in this $59 you are going to get the quality check by Envato, the future updates, all future updates of this theme, 6 months support from the Studio means the theme developer. And in addition to this, when you are following the video description link to buy the theme at themeforest.net, you'll get an additional support from ourselves. So through the iCreate program, and you can join a mentor who can help you in every manner in making your website live and up, and you can ask any question related to your WordPress website here. It is going to be free, and you can onboard on the program by filling this onboarding connect form. Okay, so it is all for you, and we have multiple options in form of pre-made website, and we can definitely launch our dream website using this thing. It is no doubt. So there is nothing to discuss further regarding this when you are selecting this thing. Yes, but you have options to compare other themes on this channel itself. So just go for comparison and select the most suitable theme according to your website project need. But yes, we are mainly focused about Marketo in this video. So I'm coming back, and I'll show you all the additional options. I mean, in addition to default WordPress theme, what we got. So Unison is the framework that we got here. The Zcat Genie. This is a new thing for me. This is for SEO. So I'll try to make another video on this plugin. I believe this works fine for connect your Google Search Console. But this is for SEO activities, and the trapped keyword, latest keyword. Okay, good. But we can explore all these options in another video. So AI writing, the getting started, the keyword research. Basically, it is SEO with keyword that I can assume. So get Gene is here. Further, we have med form for creating forms. You can edit your forms here, create new forms based on your requirement. It is available. Pages, we have seen mega menu. We can edit and create new mega menu as per requirement. So home variation gallery, some mega menus are here. You can edit the existing mega menus, what has been used at your selected demo layout. Email kit is something to customize the default email settings that remains available with the WordPress. So enable copy paste option is also here, that is available in the pro version. So if you are willing to edit the default email things of WordPress, email kit is going to help you. Get O plugins, some additional plugins for enhancing the WooCommerce features. So again, it is already included, so you can customize the things. WooCommerce and the products here. So all the products listed and 87 products, and you can follow the same pattern how the product has been uploaded, and you can follow the pattern for uploading the product, like you can write the description, the product gallery, the product images and all. So it is again very simple. So elements kit that I can see so it is for additional widgets, like some widgets like icon box, the icons, and you can enable and disable the things what you want to use at your website. Slider revolution is for editing the hero image area. So editing the slider revolution is a careful job. So when you are editing the slider, because it comes at very first load at your website, so edit the slider very carefully, and you just need to use the same dimension of image and the text what have been used in the demo slider. You can simply upload your own image or keep it what has been used if it matches your website requirements. Now coming back to the dashboard again, and I'll show you finally how you can go for editing the content at the front end of your website. Since Elementor is the page builder, it is going to be super easy for us for editing the content. Just open the page that you want to edit, go to the respective section, or simply click on edit with Elementor option, and you will be able to edit the content simply by using Elementor options, right? And it is just like working on a Word file, so you don't need any technical skill for this, and you don't even need any developer support. Just click on the area what you want to edit, and you'll be able to edit the content like images or the text what had been used on the image. And for this area, like it is filtering the WooCommerce product, so you can set the WooCommerce product what you want to show in this area, like this is the category you can select and all. So customization is going to be easy, simple, and just in case if you have any question regarding to customization or the option that you want to use, you can simply write in the comment section. We are answering all the comments. So all the comments, yes, you can ask as many as question you want to ask in the comment, and it is a good idea to connect to a mentor on the iFake program on a live chat. So live chat actually helps you on the real time basis. So it is good idea, and it is absolutely free for you. You just need to buy the theme through the video description link. So I am sure I have shown you much of the things about the Marketo WordPress theme, and it is going to help you in choosing this theme or selecting the option available with this theme. And if you have any concern regarding the selection or want to know more about the functionalities, how you can create a wonderful website using this theme, just join the iCreate program. We will be able to help you in every manner for your WordPress website, and don't miss to compare other themes as well. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.